What's happening, everyone, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The pace of innovation is absolutely relentless, and this week is no exception. We're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of groundbreaking developments that are reshaping how we interact with technology, from the way we create to the very tools we use to navigate the digital world. Get ready, because what we've got lined up is pure, unadulterated future shock. We're talking about skills that were science fiction just months ago becoming your next career move. Then, we're pulling back the curtain on cutting-edge AI that's not just thinking, but actively doing things in your browser. This is a game changer for how you'll navigate the web. Plus, we've got a deep dive into the evolving landscape of AI agents and what it means for your online experience. We're exploring the power and the potential pitfalls of these new digital assistants. And we're wrapping it all up with a look at how these advancements are setting the stage for the future of online interaction. Stick around, you absolutely do not want to miss this. Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Vibe coding is now a real job skill. Imagine a world where your creative spark translates directly into functional code, bypassing the steep learning curve of traditional programming. That's the reality ushered in by vibe coding, a revolutionary concept that's rapidly transforming the tech landscape and democratizing software development. Gone are the days when coding was exclusively the domain of seasoned engineers. Now, thanks to advanced AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude, anyone with a compelling idea and a well-crafted prompt can bring their digital visions to life. This paradigm shift is not just a trend. It's a fundamental change in how we create, making software development accessible to a much broader audience. At its heart, vibe coding is about leveraging AI assistants to generate code for applications, websites, or interactive projects without getting bogged down by intricate syntax or rigid development workflows. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need a computer science degree or years of dedicated study. All that's required is a clear concept and the ability to communicate that concept effectively to an AI. While the results might not always be perfect on the first try, the focus is squarely on rapid iteration, experimentation, and creative exploration. Users can then refine the AI-generated code, tweaking it until it perfectly matches their vision. The underlying code could be anything from HTML and JavaScript to Python, but the key takeaway is that the user doesn't need to manually write it. Vibe coders act as the directors, guiding the AI, which handles the complex technical heavy lifting. The process is refreshingly straightforward. First, select your preferred AI coding chatbot and begin with a manageable project, like a simple app, before scaling up to more complex websites or applications. The more you practice prompting and refining your outputs, the better you'll become at eliciting the desired results from the AI. It's crucial to practice prompting, as the quality of the AI's output is directly tied to the clarity and specificity of your instructions. Experimenting with different prompts, including those that incorporate emotional or sensory language, can yield surprisingly effective outcomes, helping to capture the precise vibe of the intended project. Incorporating interactive elements such as animations or visualizers adds a unique flair, making the created projects distinctly personal. Crucially, vibe coding embraces imperfection. Bugs are seen not as failures, but as opportunities for learning and refinement. The process encourages tweaking and reprompting when results deviate from expectations. Furthermore, understanding platforms like GitHub, which facilitate code sharing and collaboration, becomes increasingly valuable as users develop more projects. The ability to share and iterate on code is a natural extension of the creative process, fostering a community around AI-assisted development. This democratization of coding means that creativity and curiosity are the new prerequisites, opening doors for aspiring creators who may have previously been deterred by the technical barriers of traditional programming. Don't get left behind in this coding revolution. Next, we're diving into how AI is taking control of your web browser. Anthropic's Claude AI is now browsing the web. In a significant leap forward for artificial intelligence capabilities, Anthropic has begun limited testing of a new Chrome extension that allows its Claude AI to interact directly with web browsers. This groundbreaking feature enables Claude to not only see web pages, but also to click buttons and complete forms, effectively extending its reach into the user's online activities. This development follows Claude's earlier integrations with applications like calendars and documents, signaling a clear trajectory toward more integrated and agentic AI experiences. Currently, this powerful new functionality is accessible as a research preview to a select group of 1,000 users enrolled in Anthropic's Premium Max plan, with a waitlist available for others eager to gain access. The implications of an AI agent capable of navigating and interacting with the web are vast. It promises to streamline workflows, automate repetitive online tasks, and provide more context-aware assistance. Imagine an AI that can research information across multiple websites, fill out application forms, or even book appointments based on your calendar availability, all without direct manual intervention for each step. This level of integration moves AI from being a passive information provider to an active participant in digital tasks. Anthropic has been proactive in addressing the inherent security challenges associated with granting AI such browser-level control. The company has implemented robust security measures designed to mitigate risks, particularly those posed by prompt injection attacks, a type of exploit where malicious instructions hidden within web content can trick an AI into performing unintended or harmful actions. Early internal testing indicates that these defenses have significantly reduced the success rate of such attacks, a critical step in building user trust and ensuring safety. The current testing phase is intentionally restricted to trusted users operating in non-critical environments. This cautious approach allows Anthropic to gather valuable feedback and data, which will be instrumental in refining the security protocols and enhancing the overall performance and reliability of the Claude for Chrome extension. The company's commitment to security is paramount, especially given the sensitive nature of browser interactions, which often involve personal data and financial transactions. By focusing on trusted testers and controlled environments, Anthropic aims to identify and neutralize potential vulnerabilities before a wider release, ensuring a safer and more dependable experience for all users. This measured rollout underscores Anthropic's dedication to responsible AI development, balancing cutting-edge capabilities with a strong emphasis on user safety and data protection. The insights gained from this research preview will be crucial in shaping the future of AI-powered browsing. This is more than just an extension. It's a glimpse into the future of browsing. Next, we're diving deep into the competitive race for browser dominance and the risks involved. Claude for Chrome, Anthropic joins the browser AI arms race. Anthropic has officially entered the increasingly competitive arena of AI-integrated web browsing with the launch of its Claude for Chrome research preview. This new browser-based AI agent, powered by Anthropic's advanced Claude models, marks a significant step towards a future where AI seamlessly assists and executes tasks directly within the user's online environment. The extension is initially rolling out to a limited group of 1,000 subscribers on Anthropic's high-tier Max plan, which commands a monthly fee ranging from $100 to $200, with a public waitlist now open for interested users looking to experience this cutting-edge technology. The core functionality of Claude for Chrome involves embedding Claude directly into a user's browser via a sidecar window. This integration allows the AI to maintain context across the entire browsing session, understanding the user's current activities and information displayed on web pages. More impressively, users can grant Claude permission to actively perform tasks on their behalf. This means Claude can navigate websites, interact with elements like buttons and forms, and complete actions that would typically require manual user input. This capability transforms the browser from a passive window into an interactive workspace where AI acts as a proactive assistant, streamlining complex or repetitive digital chores. The move positions Anthropic as a key player in the burgeoning field of agentic AI, where AI systems are designed to act autonomously to achieve user-defined goals. The launch of Claude for Chrome occurs at a critical juncture for the web browser market, which is emerging as a high-stakes battleground for major AI players. Competitors like Perplexity, with its AI-powered Comet browser, and OpenAI, reportedly developing its own AI-native browser, are also pushing the boundaries of integrated AI experiences. Google, meanwhile, has been embedding its Gemini AI capabilities into Chrome. This intense competition is further amplified by potential regulatory shifts, including an ongoing antitrust case against Google that could lead to Chrome being divested. Such a scenario could dramatically alter the browser landscape, with AI labs like Perplexity and OpenAI expressing interest in acquiring the browser if it becomes available. Anthropic's entry, therefore, is not just about technological advancement, but also strategic positioning in a market ripe for disruption. However, Anthropic is acutely aware of the security implications. Granting AI agents browser-level control introduces new vulnerabilities, such as indirect prompt injection attacks, which have been highlighted by security researchers. In response, Anthropic has implemented multiple layers of defense against such exploits, reporting a significant reduction in their success rate. Additional safeguards include default restrictions on accessing certain sensitive website categories and granular user controls over permissions, ensuring Claude seeks explicit consent before performing high-risk actions. This cautious approach reflects a broader industry challenge, balancing the immense potential of AI agents with the critical need for robust security and user trust. The success of Claude for Chrome will hinge not only on its capabilities, but also on its ability to operate securely and reliably, setting a benchmark for future AI-powered browsing experiences. Anthropic is playing it safe, but the stakes are incredibly high. Finally, we're exploring the broader implications of AI agents and the future of online interaction. Anthropic unveils Claude for Chrome. AI agents take the wheel. Anthropic has officially debuted a research preview of its latest foray into agentic artificial intelligence, a browser-based assistant powered by its sophisticated Claude models, aptly named Claude for Chrome. This extension is initially being rolled out to a select group of 1,000 users subscribed to Anthropic's Premium Max plan, which is priced between $100 and $200 per month. For those eager to test this advanced system, Anthropic has also opened a dedicated waitlist, signaling strong demand for next-generation AI browsing tools. Claude for Chrome is engineered to maintain a comprehensive awareness of a user's browser session by integrating Claude directly into Chrome through a dedicated sidecar window. This allows for continuous contextual understanding of the user's online activities. Beyond mere contextual awareness, the system empowers users to grant Claude explicit permission to act on their behalf, effectively taking over tasks that traditionally require manual clicks and data inputs. This capability is pitched as a pivotal step towards a more seamless integration of AI into daily digital life, where AI transitions from merely offering advice to actively executing tasks. This development places Anthropic at the forefront of a rapidly evolving AI landscape, where the web browser is becoming a critical battleground for innovation. The competitive intensity in this space is palpable. Perplexity has already launched Comet, a browser built entirely around an AI agent capable of automating browsing tasks. OpenAI is also reportedly developing its own AI-native browser, which is expected to share similarities with Comet's approach. Google, a dominant force in the browser market with Chrome, has been actively integrating its Gemini AI into the browser. This surge of AI integration into browsing is occurring against the backdrop of a significant antitrust case against Google. A federal judge's indications suggest the case could result in a forced divestiture of Chrome, a move that would drastically reshape the competitive dynamics. Speculation is rife, with Perplexity having already submitted an unsolicited $34.5 billion offer for Chrome, and OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, expressing interest in acquiring the browser should it become available. The potential spin-off of Chrome could place control of the world's most widely used browser into the hands of one of the leading AI companies, significantly influencing the future of online interaction. Anthropic's approach emphasizes both capability and caution. The company is keenly aware that providing AI agents with browser-level control introduces new safety risks. Recently, Brave's security team identified vulnerabilities in Comet's browser agent, specifically susceptibility to indirect prompt injection attacks. While Perplexity has since addressed this issue, it highlights the challenges Anthropic faces. To counter these risks, Anthropic has implemented robust, layered defenses against prompt injections, which internal testing shows have nearly halved the success rate of such attacks, reducing it from 23.6% to 11.2%. Further safeguards include default restrictions on Claude's agent accessing certain website categories, such as financial services, adult content, and piracy sites. Users also retain granular control over permissions, with Claude explicitly required to request authorization before performing high-risk actions like publishing content, making purchases, or sharing personal data. Claude for Chrome represents a significant advancement from Anthropic's earlier desktop-focused agent, which suffered from performance issues. The rapid progress in this field suggests that browser-based AI agents are becoming increasingly effective at handling straightforward tasks, though complex, multi-step workflows still present a challenge. The evolution from simple chatbots to autonomous web navigators signifies both the immense promise and the inherent perils of agentic AI, hinting at a future where delegation replaces manual browsing. This race for browser control is heating up, and the security implications are enormous. Now, let's recap the biggest stories shaping our digital world. And that's a wrap on another essential update from ChatGPT Insights. We saw how vibe coding is making software development accessible to everyone with just an idea and AI. Then, Anthropic's Claude AI is getting a major upgrade, learning to browse the web and interact with pages through a new Chrome extension. We also dove into the fierce competition among AI labs like Anthropic, OpenAI, and Perplexity to integrate AI agents directly into browsers, a move that could redefine our online experiences. Finally, we explored the potential impact of these advancements on the future of the internet and user interaction. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI news, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. Join the conversation in the comments below and follow us on all social platforms for more insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.